And now, meteorologist Marty Vinicienque with Southern Colorado's most accurate forecast.
12:45. It's been a relatively nice start to the day. The wind is now starting to pick up in more areas, and that trend should continue through the afternoon. Skyscan has shown some clouds drifting up from the south and west that in the last few frames have started to show some signs of maybe producing at least a few sprinkles. You see a lot of green on the map there west of the interstate. That's not all rain hitting the ground, but things are starting to get charged up a little bit over the mountain areas. Right now, Powers and Galley, we have 64 degrees. The wind now out of the southeast at nearly 20 miles an hour, and you do see some of the clouds building up there as seen from overhead door across the Pikes Peak region. We've had temperatures that have been in the mid-60s as well in Fountain. At last check, Atramec Landscape Materials, 66. There you see the flag starting to move around. Southwest wind at 10 miles an hour, so here comes the wind there. Easterly wind still in Pueblo West, not been too strong yet. Pretty good blanket of clouds overhead, though. It is currently 71 degrees. Skycast shows an area of showers, both rain and snow, depending on elevation, developing generally west of the interstate this afternoon, and then tracking off to our north and east through midnight. We've been mentioning for a couple of days, we think there might actually be some pretty heavy rain up here in northeastern Colorado. Locally, I think at best, the farther north you live, the more likely you could have some scattered showers through the evening. And then maybe overnight, get a little burst here and there as well before all of this tracks off into Kansas, leaving us with a pretty quiet start to Thursday morning, though it is going to be a bit on the cooler side with temperatures falling back into the 30s and 40s in most of eastern Colorado. In fact, the high country will drop back into the 20s, and we'll have some snow off and on up there through the night. Tomorrow, the colder air will continue to settle up against the front range. Eventually, that should lead to the redevelopment of some showers over the highest peaks. Sure, we could pick up some snow, but we think anything tomorrow that develops locally is going to be in the form of rain. It might be a bit of a chilly rain, but rain nonetheless, and there could even be a little thunder somewhere tomorrow afternoon. Real scattered activity, but there will be some showers and thunderstorms out there. Northern areas may struggle to get out of the 50s tomorrow along the Arkansas River, likely 60s. A few 70s may hang on in extreme southeastern Colorado, but check out the higher terrain with Leadville only in the 30s. And this isn't even the coldest air that we're tracking through the week. So here we go. Little bounce back Friday. Saturday still looks okay. Sunday, whoa. What happened there? Well, what happened there is the next storm system looks to come farther south and bring its cold air with it. So if that's the case, yeah, we'll be in the 40s, and we might have a mixture of some rain and wet snow even in Colorado Springs. Happy Mother's Day. Well, I think Monday will start to clear things out a little bit. Tuesday and Wednesday probably back up into the 60s, so it won't stick around long, but that's not necessarily great timing. Pueblo, again, couldn't rule out a couple of showers, a little thunder tomorrow. We'll have 70s Friday and Saturday. Got some outdoor plans on Saturday. Do what you can, because Sunday doesn't look like a great day right now. Breezy, 40s for highs, maybe a few cold showers with a little bit of lightning a possibility. We'll get you back into the 60s by Tuesday, maybe up around 70 on Wednesday. Canyon City, look for 60s tomorrow. Upper 60s on Friday to near 70 on Saturday. Then you two will take the old tumble on Sunday. Don't think you have to worry about anything but rain along the river, but some of the higher mountain areas in Fremont County you might notice a little wet snow. 60s return by Tuesday. We might be close to 70 on Wednesday. Of course, Teller County, not that anybody up here is really surprised. We could see a few snowflakes with any stronger showers tomorrow, but nothing you really have to worry about. At this point, if this storm does what it looks like it's going to do this morning, and maybe it won't, but if it does what it looks like it's going to do this morning, then we may have some accumulating snow to contend with on Mother's Day, with highs in the 30s. Notice as well the low temperatures Sunday night. I didn't point it out at lower elevations, but I think many of us Sunday night might be dealing with a below freezing night once again. So for those of you that were hoping to be in the clear with the gardens, as I said a couple of weeks ago, maybe not till July would I ever promise that.
All right. Thanks, Marty.
You're welcome.